Hello everyone, I'm here with David from Wandoo Designs. So David, what is it that you do?
We renovate heritage houses for people. We build new houses from an environmental slant. And mainly we go into people's old houses and look at their living areas, the built environment, the materials that the old original house was built out of, and we try to improve their living conditions. Be it open it up, we look at the environmental performance of the house, and we try to do it at peace with the original house. Try to use the old materials, be it pulling parts of their old houses out, remilling them, remachining them and putting them back in as bench tops, etc.
And you're both building designers and builders?
Yes, we're both carpenters by trade. We're registered builders as well.
Yeah.
But we've always been looking at things from the design point of view, so we both get out the drawing board and draw it. We do work with all the architects around Perth that think from an environmental and sustainability point of view.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're quite happy to go in and design and sit down and have that cup of tea and sitting there and watching the sun and saying, oh geez, this would be a lovely vista through here. This is where the loveliness of this house would come from.
So actually going out on site and sitting and looking at how...
Sitting and pondering, going back to the drafting table, going back there and saying, well, in the morning this is where the lovely sun comes up, or gosh, this is where the westerly sun comes in on those hot summer days, how can we protect from that?
If someone was looking for a builder, why would they want to use you rather than any of the other builders that are about?
Yeah, I guess our niche has always been that environmental aspect and looking at it from the built environment. We've got a good track record of doing that. I think the Shires have recognised that. We've won awards for appropriate use of material. I guess we're very passionate about that, and we just tend to drift together. We meet people that want to achieve the same thing. We only tend to run 1, 2 or 3 jobs at the most of the time, so it's always pretty relaxed, and we've got time to work with people and get the best outcome for everyone.
David, what is it that you're passionate about, aside from houses and building?
I think both Moss and I enjoy heritage and environment. We end up doing things in our community that are based on that. Moss is very heavily involved in his Bassendean area in fighting for environment and sustainability. Both our fathers come from a scientific and education background, from looking at things in a sustainable way, so they were drummed into us to look at everything around us, be it our work or our play. I'm heavily involved in the surf life-saving community. I'm very passionate about that. I train young lifesavers and older lifesavers who want to realise their abilities as lifeguards.
Nice. Great. Thank you.
Cheers.